What's up, guys? In this video you are going to learn how to play PSP games on any Android device. Now this is not a clickbait video because as you can see I'm currently playing PSP games with my Android device using the PPSSPP Emulator. So this video is going to be a full setup guide, and also I'm going to be showing you guys the best settings to use for your PPSSPP Gold emulator so you can actually get the best graphics and the best performance on your device. Now simply go ahead and open your Play Store app or your App Store and search for PPSSPP. So once you search for this, you are going to see two different apps. But for this video, I'm going to actually be using the gold version. So now the gold version and this normal version, there is not much of a difference. So you can actually download any one of your choice. But for this video, like I said, I will be using the gold version. Now once you are done downloading the app, go ahead and open the app. Now once you open the app for the first time, it's going to ask you to create a PSP folder. So click on OK. And then select any folder that you actually want to use. As for me, I normally like using my document section, so I'm going to click on document, then I'll click on use this folder, then I'll click on allow. Then once I get in here, I'm going to click on OK. So once you click on OK, it's going to open up the game interface. As you can see, there's no game in here to actually play. So right now I'm actually going to open my file manager to locate my game files. Now your PSP game file is normally going to be a zip file, or it's going to be a 7Z file. So that's just how it normally is. So I'm going to open my file right now and go to the download section. So you can see I actually have one game in here to play. So I'm going to be moving this game. This game is a zip file. So I'm going to move this game to the PSP section, which is inside my document section. So you can see it's in here, PSP. You can see the game folder. So I'm going to paste it in this game folder. Now, once I've done this, I'll go ahead and open my emulator one more time. Now, once I've opened my emulator do not actually know where I'm keeping this game right now. So I'm going to show you that I'm keeping it in the PSP game folder. To do that, I'll click on this browse icon you can see at the top. Once I click on it, then I will actually take it to my PSP folder, which is in Documents, PSP, Game. So you can see this is where I'll be storing my games. So I'm going to click on Use this folder, Allow. Once I've done this, you can see that the Naruto game is actually showing now. It's a zip file. So to install this game, I'm going to tap on it once. And now you can see the options. I can either play it or I can either install it. So I'm going to be deleting the zip. So I'll click on delete zip. But if you don't want to delete your zip, you can go ahead and leave that. But as for me, I'm actually going to be deleting the zip file. So I will click on delete zip and then I'll click on install. So once I do this, it's going to install the game on this my emulator, and at the same time it's going to delete that zip, so I'll be able to just play only the game without seeing the zip anymore in my interface. Now the game is done installing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this back button. So once I click on the back button, you can see that the game is now ready to play. Now if you are finding any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to actually help me on my YouTube growth journey. Now there are some settings that you actually need to get the best performance and the best graphics for your emulator, and it's very important. So I've already made a dedicated video for that, so I don't have to make this video very long. So once you are done watching this video, at the end of this video you are going to see that other video, so you can actually get the best PPSSPP settings to use for your emulator. Now let's give this game a try and actually see how it goes. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.